Catalina Gerald, and I'm the CEO and founder of a little lingerie company called Naya. And Naya has a really big mission. So, not only
do on stage.
Tell jokes in lingerie.
What's in your Netflix queue?
The unfortunate series of limited slickets.
I understand it and have practiced it. I bought lingerie and they used my real name in a satisfied comment on their website.
You have something from, I'm not going to name names, fancy lingerie stores that, you know, smell really perfumey.
Is reality, and for every giant wooden shoe for a photo op, you've got some trashy lingerie. You've got
with each other, so I can capture that in my lens. Lingerie photography is an extremely delicate.
To the bikini. He worked in his mother's lingerie shop, and he named it after the site of the atomic bomb testing that year.
At church, he learned his infatuation with women's lingerie ads was a sin.
I'm drawn to this, but now I know that I'm not supposed to.
Because when you're felting things, a lot of wool flies, and you want a lingerie basket or a zippered pillowcase to catch that wool so it doesn't eventually